Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on a question related to Faraday's first law. So let's get started. What mass of silver in gram will be deposited at cathode during the electrolysis of silver solution using a current of 3.0 ampere for 25 minutes? Alright, so the formula that we are going to use is Q is equivalent to IT, whereby your I is the current, so your current is 3 ampere, 3.0 ampere, and your time is 25 minutes. So 25 minutes you need to change to second, so 1 minute 60 seconds. So you will get 3 times 1500. So you will get your Q is equivalent to 4500 coulomb. Alright, so what else you need to do, because this is not the unit that we want, so we need to find what is Faraday, right? So 96,500 coulomb is equivalent to 1 Faraday. So you will have 4,500 coulomb. So you need to convert this. So 1 over 96500 times 4500. So you will get your answer should be equivalent to 4.6632 times 10 to the power of negative 2 Faraday. So this is the unit that we want. So next up, what you need to do is you need to know what is the half equation for this reaction. So basically, you will have, because you want the mass of silver, right? So you need to use the silver ion, and then you shall produce silver. So basically, because this is just plus 1 electron, so plus electron. So basically, here 1 Faraday is 1 mole of silver, right? So now you have 4.6632 times 10 to the power of negative 2 Faraday. So it's going to be the same, 4.6632 times 10 to the power of negative 2 mole of silver. Alright, in the question, you were asked to find the mass. So you already know that the number of mole of silver that is going to be produced is 4.6632 times 10 to the power of negative 2 mole of silver. So the number of mole is equivalent to mass over relative molar mass. So you will find your mass is equivalent to the relative molar mass times the number of mole. So the atomic mass for silver is equivalent to 107.8682 gram per mole. And here the number of mole is 4.6632 times 10 to the power of negative 2 mole. So basically this one shall be slashed out. So you will get the mass is equivalent to 5.0301 gram. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.